Hey, ain't you kind of boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Hey, what's going on with the KOYOTEPACK? What's good? What's good? How's everybody doing? How's everybody's day going? You know what I'm saying? It's nice and sunny. Nice and sunny out here. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, you know your boy's in the whip because I know you hear that loud exhaust behind me. But anyway, your boy's headed to Fort Worth to the Cars and Coffee. You know what I'm saying? It's my first time to go to the Cars and Coffee that's actually in Fort Worth. So, you know, hey, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some dope cars out there. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Hit that post notification bell. That way you can keep up with all the videos like the one you see me dropping now. And then, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you become part of the family. But anyway, without further ado, you know what I'm saying? Your boy's about to get into this video. And then also, I've been thinking about what I'm going to do for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I have an idea in mind, but I'll probably be posting it on social media. So if you follow me on YouTube, make sure that you go down. Link is in the description. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, IG. You know what I'm saying, even Snap. And I will be posting what I'm gonna do for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not sure if I'll make a video about it or not, just solo on that. But I probably would, you know, start including or mentioning it in my videos. You know, from here going forward once I figure out what I'm gonna do. But anyway, KOYOTEPACK, y'all know how we do it. Oh! Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. practice every day, all day. You know what I'm saying? It's more in the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.